Well, well, well. Look what has followed me home. Kind of a long time dream to have one of these. Price was right. Couldn't resist it. Drove over to St. Joseph Island. Got a smashing deal. And a bit of history. And here's the catch. So down at the beach, Maiden Voyage day for me. I've got some company. Chris has brought his fully restored Huron. Absolutely stunning. He should do it professionally. Lots of work. Good, you? The Elliott Lake Heritage Canoe Society. Chris's fully restored Huron, and my recent purchase of a older chestnut that's in excellent shape. Could use a couple of little things, but Maiden Voyage for me. It definitely feels small sitting in it. So the Elliott Lake Wooden Canoe Society, out for a paddle. This is the Chestnut Fox, 14-foot. Cedar canvas canoe. Chris is a fully restored Huron.